Hello guys, today we are back with another video. This is going to look a lot harder than it really is. It's actually pretty easy. The first video we really just worked on some simple print stuff, but this isn't too much more harder. It's just writing the code. Like I said, it's very beginner friendly, so it's really just like writing like you would. Okay, so I'm going to break this quiz probably down to two different parts. And a lot of people are asking, like, I'm guessing people are asking, so I'm on here, how do I make sure I save it? Just come up here to File, and then come down to Save As, and you can just save it as a folder. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, I'm going to come up down here to Open File. I'm going to scroll down, because I know the name of that is called Quiz. Paul, this is gonna be a really fun video in the future. Not quite yet. It's gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be a little more advanced, but yeah. So come down here, open file. Okay. So basically, you're just gonna. I want you guys just to copy from here. So okay, this is probably what I should have added this in the last video. So if you shift on 3 and you get the little number sign, you can make notes. So these notes aren't gonna affect anything, but it's gonna like tell you like what it does here. Like you can like put whatever notes you want. You can type whatever you want in your notes. So I recommend you guys just copy. Don't copy my notes. Those are important. So you guys can go ahead and delete the notes when you copy it. But from right here, all the way, all of this, and link will be in the description for you guys to copy this. And just take this, copy it, and put it on your own thing, and then just make your own questions. You'll see what I mean later. So, answer equals input. So it's going to take your answer and put it into the input of what we have for yes or no. So, are you ready to play the quiz? And then we're going to put this around the little things. Yes, dash, no. So, let's go ahead and start this first part. Okay. Don't have there. Okay, so it's going to say, so let's full screen this, tap that, right? Tap this right here to full screen. So, yes or no. So let's just say yes. Okay. So now you can start our quiz. Oh, don't know what happened there. Sorry guys, did not mean to do that. So now we see this works. Okay, we're gonna make sure everything works. So the score is 0. Total questions. There's only 4 questions, and not too much code. It might look like a lot though. So the if is really just like put all of this from here, all of this in like one box. It's really what the if's here to do for us. So that's really helpful. And so as soon as you're ready, just like I said, just copy and paste all this in the description. But I want you guys to come down here, and in all this, I want you guys to change like this part of it, like just change the questions, okay? And I want you guys to like really read through the code, and you guys probably can understand it just by reading through it. It's like a very basic settle. I mean, it's pretty one of the more basics. So, and again, sorry for the low quality videos. I don't know what's wrong with my screen recording. So here we're gonna see. So if we get the question right, we're gonna get +1, right? So, and it's basically literally just repeating the same thing, except for changing the question for each question. Until we get here to the bottom, it's going to say, thanks for playing this small quiz game. You attempted, and it's going to say your score, questions correctly. And then it's going to mark score / total questions, 100, marks obtained, and it's going to put mark, and then it's going to say bye. So let's go up here, try to run it, see what happens. So because we already did the other 2 questions, here, what we'll do. Here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go. Okay. So now we're going to start off with a fresh by tapping play. Are you ready to play the quiz? And if let's say you say no, then it's literally just going to take you to the end and say, okay, you didn't try any questions. That's it. So if you don't want to do it, and you accidentally tap it, it's okay. So, yes. What is your favorite programming language? Well, I'm going to say Python. And you make all the answers too. Python, because it's just such a beginner-friendly language, you know? And it's going to tell me right here, I was correct. Do you follow our YouTube channel, Coding Hub? Of course. Oh, yes. Which is better, Coke or Pepsi? I'm gonna put Coke. Wrong answer. Okay, so see, here it's gonna tell us we got the wrong answer. So that's okay, we just got one wrong. What is America's, July 4th? So that's the 4th question. I got correct. Thank you for playing this small quiz game. You attempted 3 questions correctly. Marks obtained. I got 75% out of 100. Bye and thank you. So yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link for this down in the description. If you guys want a more, if you guys want like a more precise, like if you guys want me to go more into detail with all of these little codes right here, I will. Comment it down in the comment section. Let me know if you guys want me to go deeper into detail on this. If not, yeah. And overall though, thank you so much for watching. This was just a really, and tell me what you guys change your questions to. So like, type down in the comments what you change your questions to. And if you guys are looking for something a little bit more advanced than this, I suggest, or a little bit more in detail and advanced, I would go over to our other playlist. It's the Java. And that's a little bit more advanced, so be careful, but I think most of you guys can handle it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. This means a lot to us. If you guys can just drop us a little like and follow, or like and subscribe down there, it means a lot. So thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.